Constructing the road from Makolo Junction to Mabang Bridge in Koya Chiefdom, Putloko District, is under the Moyamba to Moyamba Junction Road and Bridges project. This is a development that promises to reshape the landscape and improve the lives of many, not just in the Koya Chiefdom, but Sierra Leone at large. Vice President Dr. Juldeh Jalloh officially launched the first half of the two-phase project.
This road, whether it's 14-kilometer road from Makolo village to the Juldeh Bridge, it will show say the people in our Ribi Chiefdom and Mabang, they will access western area easily. They will be able to do business easily. They will be able to connect the north and the south easily. It's a very, very important road. I see we don't begin this road so we'll get and go to bump. We'll go small. But once it's excellence, you don't talk about. We'll do it. Road is a health education big time because we know some of the challenges there. Some community then they, where His Excellency the President will say, the Biden school bus them. Where we will distribute the school bus them. We will distribute them according to areas there who say good road network day.
PC by Kompa Bomboli III of Koya Chiefdom sheds light on the life-threatening challenges residents have faced since 1974 as a result of bad road network.
This road is not ever start. Last June, when the President hired, he made a pledge. He said, if I return to office for the second time, I will make this road. Here I beg the brothers and sisters, more pray God for President Bio and the Vice President and the government. Several accidents that happen here. One is Saturday, he asked himself, how will solve this problem? Now President Bio and government don't answer we now.
Their voices have been finally heard, and change is now here as the launch of this construction work brings hope and relief to the chiefdom. Director of the National Authorizing Office, Ambrose James, pointed out that the 14-kilometer road construction is a crucial investment to transform that part of the country. He speaks on the cost involved.
The total cost for the initial 14 kilometers is 7.35 million euros. And the EU, they provide 4.6 million, we are 63%. And government of Sierra Leone, they provide 2.75 million, we are 37%. Apart from the money where the government they provide for this construction of this road, the government will pay all the compensations to property affected people.
With over 60% of funding from the European Union, the EU ambassador to Sierra Leone, Manuel Muller, is proud of EU's partnership in this endeavor, noting that the investment in road infrastructure aligns with the EU's commitment to fostering sustainable development in the country.
The European Union is one of the principal partners to the road infrastructure currently in place in Sierra Leone. During the last decade, Sierra Leone and the European Union have worked closely together on upgrading the bulk of the major road links in Sierra Leone. The road will be 10 meters wide, the carriageway will be 3.5 meters in either direction and typically wider in curves, and the shoulders will be 1.5 meters on each side.
The construction company tasked with bringing this vision to life is CSE. Work commenced in November 1st, 2023, and a target completion date of January 1st, 2025. The 14-month project is set to redefine connectivity and accessibility in the region. Salifu Chorna Kamara, AYV News.